Cell surface receptors, those activate the NFkB signaling pathway in animals, are toll receptors in Drosophila, toll-like receptors in vertebrates, the receptors for tumor necrosis factor alpha or TNF-alpha, and interleukin 1 or IL-1. The stimuli, those can activate NFkB proteins or transcription factors, are growth factors, viral infection, and DNA damage. There are 5 NFkB proteins in mammals. They are RLA, RLB, CRL, NFkB1, and NFkB2. They form a variety of homodimers and heterodimers, each of which activates its own characteristic set of genes. Major IKB proteins in mammals are IKB alpha, IKB beta, IKB epsilon. In the absence of stimulus, the NFkB proteins are bound to inhibitory IKB protein. This IKB maintains NFkB in an inactive state in the cytosol. When the stimulus like trimeric TNF-alpha binds to trimeric TNF-alpha receptor present in the plasma membrane of a cell, then the cytosolic tail of the receptor recruits various signaling proteins. This recruitment results into activation of a serine threonine kinase. This active serine threonine kinase phosphorylates and activate IKK complex or IKB kinase complex. This activated IKK complex is a heterotrimer having 3 different proteins like IKK alpha, IKK beta, and NEMO. The IKK alpha and IKK beta are serine threonine kinases. The regulatory protein NEMO stands for NFkB essential modifier. Other name of NEMO is IKK gamma. IKK beta in the activated IKK complex then phosphorylates IKB on 2 serines. By phosphorylation, the IKB bound to the NFkB is now marked for ubiquitination and degradation in the proteasome. After marking, a phosphorylated IKB first undergo ubiquitination and then degradation in the proteasome. Then the NFkB is released to the cytosol. The released NFkB then translocates to the nucleus. In the nucleus, the NFkB binds to co-activator protein and stimulates the transcription of its target genes. Now, functions of NFkB. NFkB proteins are central to many stressful, inflammatory, and innate immune responses. NFkB proteins play roles in regulation of cell proliferation and cell survival. Excessive NFkB signaling is found in a number of human cancers. NFkB has important roles during normal development of animals. For example, the Drosophila NFkB family member dorsal has an important role in specifying the dorsal ventral axis of the developing fly embryo. Please like, subscribe and share.